At the end of India. India map ends just here.
Just open your slipper because boulders are slippery. You might slip off.
No people can be seen here. Oh, I'm alone now. I'm alone. I'm running. They're ahead already. Staying alone is not good here. So hello again. We are back to some other location just at the end of India, preparing the fireplace. This side, and he's carrying very big rock. Palwan, very healthy, very strong. Wow, wow, wow. And I don't know, Saru will be a master chef or what today?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm trying.
More excited. Today is second day and today's party is provided by our Sir Alfred.
Hello.
Yes.
We are just trying to enjoy here in another beautiful locations.
Yes.
India Bhutan border. I'll not be sharing the locations.
Putting mustard oil. Bikuro is expert in squeezing lemon. Wow. What you are doing, bro?
Yes, just I'm making stick.
Making
we
stick.
Have just natural stick, yeah.
Yeah.
This is
for
the natural.
for roasting
Yeah.
the meat.
Yes.
Yes. Till the meat gets ready, we will be a little bit exploring nearby. So Sir Alfred is there and Biku bro, our guide. So yeah. And you can see this side bringing water from the river. Ahok dada ahok. Boroshe. Wei lawa de. बैयाव लायदों दा दैखौ ने? मा दै बियो?
Langkar.
लांखार दैयाव लायदों ना? थारमाने दा मा न'आवहाय दै लोंनायनि माबा बेबस्था गैया नामा?
Boiler machine नष्ट जादों दंफां.
You can see such kind of bamboos in India Bhutan border area, you see. Very big ones. Very big ones. Yeah. See.
How did you find a way?
And this is the boundary of Bhutan. You can see this arrow. So this is dividing India and Bhutan. If you come this side, this is Bhutan, and the other side, this is India. They tell that even elephants come this area, in these places. See, wild animals come, so that they cannot attack. They can see from far away itself. That is why they have built such kind of small house on top. See there. No people can be seen here. Yes.
Even danger flashes. This is.
Danger?
Yeah. Because border or this there, you know.
Yes, yes.
And inside the jungle, animals may be there.
Yo, we have to be careful of the some wild animals also may come. Some elephants, some tigers. No? What do you say, bro?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So we are quietly moving ahead. Yeah. Rocks are different this side. How huge rocks are there here? You see that?
How did you find a way to run from the city of the sun? You could have stayed.
This side even rocks are bigger, man. Rocks are really big in size. This side very big. But we are walking through this only. No way. And finally, we are at the end of India. India map ends just here. And from that side, it is Bhutan. So right now I am standing in India. And India ends here. And this is maintained by such kind of string fencing this side. Such kind of string. Here. Some iron post and strings are there. And here. So this is India and Bhutan border. Exact border. Our India map ends here. See. We are walking in the border areas. This is the end part. Finally, we reached the famous river called Singi River, which has been very useful for our Indian villagers.
Yes, yes.
And this river flows from Bhutan, you see there. Since it is flowing from the mountainside, the current is there. From here, this river is India, and from here, this river is Bhutan. India. We are in India. We are standing in India. You cannot touch this one. There may be electric supply, no, bro. Water does not dry 12 months. So it has been very useful for our villagers. Hold this spec, brother, spec. No, hold this camera also. Let me wash my face with the Singi River. So go on watching. We'll be again sneaking through some jungles. Okay, go on watching. And this is how Singi River flows to India. You see?
Open your slipper because boulders are slippery. You might slip off. That's why.
Singi River, crossing Singi River.
Yes. The name of this river is Singi River.
Yeah. We managed to cross.
Yes. We'll be walking to this side. Wow, what a moment. Really having fun. What an adventure journey it was. Wow.
This tree is fallen down.
Yes.
This tree is fallen down.
What an adventure journey.
Come inside. This side. Wow. Another branch here, big one.
Yeah.
Ooh.
We'll be again crossing this river
Yeah, we have to cross this side
and walk by the side. Yeah, man.
higher than now resting in the middle of this Singi River. Oh. And when you feel thirsty, you know, such kind of water can be drunk. Okay, I'm going to drink now. Because this water flows from inside the mud and it is very cool. Oh, I'm alone now. I'm running. They are ahead already. Staying alone is not good here. I'm afraid. Right now we are coming back to our party place. I think our meat is ready. Oi, ho gaya, Uncle Ji ready?
Yeah, ready.
Wow. We have walked so far and we are hungry also. Yeah, it will be very yummy. What to say? Very yummy and yummy. Very, very yummy. Oh my God. Going to sit down and eat and have the party and we'll enjoy a little bit. Okay.
We don't have any utensils. Let's say trying to use leaves us a flat.
Ready to eat? Yeah. We have already sat down in a circle. Yes.
Yes.
And
With the 7-Up party.
7-Up party. Yes.
7-Up and this roasted chicken.
Yes.
Always dangerous to hear.
Yeah.
Strong.
Tasty, no, bro?
Mango juice.
Mango also.
One more.
Maza.
This is our special today.
Special. Today's special.
Nothing is there.
Yes. Only chicken and this cold drinks. Yes. Why sir is walking like that? What he is carrying in his hand? Oh!
Fever is gone,
Oh!
Because a heavy party.
Heavy party. Sir's slipper is gone today.
Anyway, enjoyed a lot.
Enjoyed. Yes, sir. Heavy duty.
Carry on lot of things.
Yes.
Oh, one side is one bag and in my own head is polythene.
Yeah, polythene.
I carry it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Already dark now because we had enjoyed a lot. Time was not enough for us. That is why we are little late to.
Yes, it is totally dark,
Dark
now.
now.
No more light.
No more lights.
Just enjoying the
Enjoying
sky.
Yes. So anyway, we enjoyed a lot today. I hope you liked the video and see you in next video. Bye bye.
Bye. Peace.
Peace.